happen. I guess they'll
All
be
right, there's
back.
some folks in the waiting room, so let me get to that.
Calvin Pearson is a review, so.
Okay, thank you. I'll be ready in just a moment, just taking a slide.
Okay. Oh, we need a Spanish interpreter.
All right, let's take a look at our waiting room. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
You're going to be placed in breakout rooms to meet with an attorney before I hear your matter. Please be patient. The attorneys can see that you're there and waiting. They are making their way to you. If you need to show them proof of registration, insurance, you got something fixed on the vehicle, you have proof of it today, use your time that you're waiting to gather those items, but listen closely for them to get to your room and begin talking to you. So that you're not losing your place in line, okay? And then when you're done talking to them, watch carefully for a prompt that may bring you back out here to see me again. All right, Mr. Dwayne Pinkett, you're going to go to room 3. Jerome Townsend, you're going to go to room 4. Malik Taylor, you're going to room 5. All right, and then I have Mr. Pedro Fernando. Good morning. Unmute for me, please.
Yes.
Good morning. How are you this
Good
morning?
morning. I'm good, thank you. I'm sorry, little bit English.
Okay, gracias. Esperas, por favor, para la intérprete, ¿ok? Próximo 10 minutos y join 6. Join.
Sí, gracias.
Gracias. And then Mr., is it Pineda Guerra? Buenos días, Pineda Guerra.
Buenos días.
Buenos días. ¿Cómo estás?
Bien.
Esperas para la intérprete próximo 10 minutos. Por favor, join. Join. Y esperas, por favor.
Okay.
Good morning, Attorney Walling.
Morning, Judge. How are you today?
I'm good, thanks. How are you?
Very well, thank you.
Do I?
If you'd like, you could put I could do all the interpreter rooms if you'd like.
Okay.
So I'm doing even. So you want to move Mr. Guerra to 8, perhaps?
Can I just put your name on his room? Because I'm afraid he might get confused if he gets a prompt.
Great. That'll work.
Okay, I'm going to put your name on both of the rooms. And then as soon as the interpreter gets here, I can
Right. We'll take them right off the top.
Thank you. Okay, you are now named on both rooms 6 and 7.
Thanks.
Thank you. All right, then we're ready on Kevin Pearson. When you are, Madam Clerk, I saw Ms. Horn come in. Good morning, Ms. Horn.
Good morning, Judge. Good morning, everyone.
How are you?
Very well, thank you. How are you?
Good. Oh, I just realized I still have Dwayne Pinkett. Mr. Pinkett, you should have received a prompt. You were in the first room, room 3. Where are you? Dwayne Pinkett.
I wonder if Ms. Murphy has already talked to him and sent him on his way.
No, I think he just came, well, unless he left and came back, because I just admitted him.
Okay.
There, he finally went to room 3. Okay, so I'll let her know that she needs to go back to room 3.
Thanks.
Okay.
I should let her know about
If you're going to talk to her, would you let her know to go back to room 3 too?
I will.
Okay, thanks so much. All right, Madam Clerk, ready when you are, and Kelvin Pearson.
For Kelvin Pearson, U 725-66125, scheduled for review. A payment still needs to be made and testing. It's disorderly conduct. It was,
Thank you. I got it. And how long ago was this started?
February 26th.
Okay. All right, so it's a
Wasn't-
3-month
wasn't-
delay.
It wasn't a delayed sentence. He just needed to show proof of attending the class.
Okay, thank you. Mr. Pearson, come on into camera view, please. Good morning. State your name for the record.
Kelvin Pearson.
Okay, what's going on with you taking your class, sir?
I inquired with them. I called the number you gave me, and I found out that it was only one class every month, Saturday class. I have to try to get. I'm gonna do everything within the next couple months. I had a small delay in March. I was falsely arrested for some charges that was not picked up because someone lied on me, and I just had a major setback because of that.
Okay.
But yeah.
All right, well, I'm sorry that happened to you. I'll reset it for 60 days, but you need to get this done, okay?
Appreciate it.
All right, Madam Clerk, what's our 60-day return date, please?
July 27 at 8:30.
I need you to get that done before July 27th, you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you. Have a good day.
You too.
Bye. I just saw Dwayne Pinkett come out again, but I don't know where he went now. Oh, he went back into room 3. Mr. Pinkett is having some kind of technical issues. Mr. Pinkett, Dwayne Pinkett. I don't even understand how he's doing this.
What's the date? June 10th. Bye.
Mr. Pinkett was having some kind of technical issues, couldn't be heard, couldn't hear me, so we'll watch for him to return, and then we need to test the equipment before we put him in breakout. Attorney Forrest, good morning.
Good morning, Your Honor.
You ready on your matter?
I am, yes.
All right, thank you, Madam Clerk. Whenever you're ready on the Michael Pareca matter, please call it.
Michael Vincent Pareca, SX 469-1801, count 1, speeding 21 to 25 miles per hour over speed.
Thank you. Attorney Forrest, your appearance, please. Attorney Forrest, your appearance, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Matthew Forrest, P73168, appearing on my name for Mr. Pareca. Appearing on behalf of Michael Pareca.
Thank you. Trooper Byer, please unmute. State your name for the record.
Hi, good morning. Trooper Byer, Michigan State Police.
Thank you. Counsel, what's the resolution today?
Judge, we have received the resolution. We have reached a resolution with the city attorney where the charge would be amended to limited access 1 to 5 over.
All right, thank you. And you are making that admission on your client's behalf and waiving their presence?
That's correct. We'd enter a responsible plea.
All right, thank you. court will accept your admission of responsibility. The fine is $125, 60 days to get it paid or to get on a payment plan with the cashiers on the first floor.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too.
Thank you, Trooper Buyer.
Thank you.
All right.
Thank you,
Maria,
Trooper.
Ms. Cox, good morning.
Just a minute. Yes, good morning.
Good morning. Let me just quickly get you sworn in, if you don't mind. Name and qualifications for the record, please.
Maria Cox, COX, a professional Spanish interpreter.
Thank you. Court is very familiar with the high frequency and high quality of your work. I do find you qualified to interpret. Please raise your right hand and swear affirm that you will as accurately as possible and to the best of your ability translate English to Spanish and Spanish to English today.
I do.
Thank you. You now have co-host. Your first client is in room 6. Second one is in room 7.
Okay,
I will
thank
send
you
the
so
attorney
much.
there right away. Thank you.
Okay.
Attention Attorney Walling, attention Attorney Walling. The interpreter is now joining room 6. The interpreter is now joining room 6.
Thank-
All right. Ms. Trailer, good morning. I'm going to get you into a breakout room to meet with an attorney before I hear your matter. Okay.
Okay.
All right. You're early, I think, because you're set for trial. Were you set for 9:30?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, it's 9:30. I thought it was 8:30.
Well, let me double check. Sometimes they make a mistake and put him at 8:30. Madam Clerk, can you tell me if Ms. Trailer's trial is scheduled for 8:30 or 9:30?
9:30.
Okay, so just so you know, there's just a little bit of a wait because they actually get till the officer gets till 10 to show up. Same thing I would do for you. So I'm going to put you in room 3, noting that you're waiting for trial, but you shouldn't really expect anything to happen right away. But don't stop listening. At least be where you can hear. Okay.
Okay.
All right, room 3. Go ahead and join. All right, we've got Mr. Pinkett trying to connect to audio again. Mr. Pinkett, can you hear me now? Mr. Pinkett? Madam Clerk, would you please try chatting Mr. Pinkett to connect to audio or do something?
Yes, I sent him a chat.
Thank you. Looks like he's still frozen. We're probably gonna have to send him something in the mail, setting another date and telling him that he has to come in person or call because he's not able to connect. Good morning, device that says Deja. I need you to unmute, please. What is your
Hello.
name? Hi, what's your full name?
Deja Pickett.
Thank you. Madam Clerk, is Ms. Pickett scheduled for trial?
Just a second. No, she's got, no.
Okay.
Mr. Pinkett says he keeps.
Okay,
giving
Señor Pinedo Guerra, por favor, join. Uno más. Join, por favor. Okay. I'm sorry, on Deja Pickett, Madam Clerk, what did you tell me?
She's scheduled for 8:30 and Raymond on a bench warrant.
Thank you. All right, Ms. Pickett, I'm going to place you in a breakout room to meet with an attorney before I hear your matter. Please hit join and wait for them. They'll be there shortly. Attorney Horn. Ms. Pickett, please join that breakout room. Thank you. Hey, Attorney Horn.
Yes, Your Honor. Good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, I'll wait and see if she has documents on that one.
On Deja Pickett,
Yes, Your Honor.
is that all it is? What does she have?
No insurance, unregistered, untitled, allowing, no insurance, no insurance.
Okay, Madam Clerk, can we run an SOS on her, please? I'll go see what she's got.
But for the most part, two improper plates.
Okay.
Yep. And I want to get rid of the allowing it altogether.
Okay.
Yeah, those are pretty tough.
Is that with docs or not? You want two improper plates as the offer?
Just one if she's got docs.
Okay, let me go
But
see.
if she doesn't have anything, just two, and then definitely kick the allowing, please.
Okay, gotcha.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
Thanks. I don't know what's going on with Mr. Pineda Guerra that he keeps coming out of the breakout room.
Un minuto más.
Phone number ending in 8513. What is your name, please?
Veronica Torres.
Thank you. Spell your last name for me, please. Is it Torres?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. I'm
I'm
going
on
to
the
place you in a
phone.
breakout room to meet with an attorney before I hear your matter. They'll be with you shortly.
Alrighty,
Madam,
thank you.
can you see what time Ms. Torres was scheduled for? Or do you know what time you were supposed to be here, Ms. Torres?
I was supposed to be here at 8:30. I'm
Okay.
sorry.
That's okay. I just need to know where to put you. All right, you're going to room 9. Go ahead and you're going to room 9. Yes.
Could I get Madam Clerk or whoever, can I get a copy of Pedro Fernando's ticket? He's a 8:45.
Yes.
Thank you.
Phone number ending in 4464. What is the name, please?
Dwayne Pinkett. I was having a problem. I was on the thing where you had the camera and the speaker, but for some reason it kept disconnecting me.
Yep, I know. Okay. All right. I'm going to put you in a breakout room. An attorney's going to come and see you shortly. Please wait patiently for them to get there.
All right, thank you.
Room 10. Go ahead. Join. Thanks. Attorney Murphy, please join the main session at your convenience. Good morning, Attorney Murphy.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Good.
I've got Attorney Walling covering the interpreter rooms right now, and Ms. Traylor knew that she had to wait because her case isn't scheduled till 9:30. Would you mind please covering rooms 8, 9, and 10 as you can?
Not at all.
Okay, thanks so much. Yep, I've
You're
got folks in
welcome.
8, 9, and 10 who are all waiting from the 8:30, 8:45 docket.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You missed it yesterday? Yeah, you
Okay, good morning, Attorney Soroki.
Good morning. You have your
One-
out. I have
I'm sorry.
cases.
Okay, right. So, Isaac Torcellas, I'm gonna put you in breakout room number 4. Your trial starts at 9:30. Click join. I'm sorry. Okay. And then Attorney Soroki, I'm gonna put your clients, they're both here, Carl Petway and Sierra Thomas. I'll put them in rooms 11 and 12.
That's fine. I'm on my computer, so I can see anyways,
Oh,
but I'll,
okay.
when I see, I'm gonna watch the courtroom because I have 6 cases in here today. Let's see, or maybe 4. Sierra Thomas, Mr. Petway, Tawan Tompkins, and Darnell Tompkins.
Okay, the ones for your trial, they haven't appeared yet,
Okay, no problem.
but
All
I
right.
can't get co-host yet. The judge has to give you co-host. So right now, Mr. Petway and Ms. Thomas accept the invitations to room 11 and 12. Your attorney will be in there as soon as he can.
Okay, thank you.
Mhm. Yeah, I only have 4. I don't know if I can take back co. I can, but I don't know if I should. I don't know what happened. Okay, I'm gonna, let me see. reclaim home. And that's- see how that works. Okay, Attorney Soroki, I just made you co-host.
Okay, thank you.
Leah, this is Aaliyah Powell. One moment.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, Ms. Powell, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room and the attorneys are gonna come and they're gonna speak to you about your case.
Okay.
Oh, yeah. Benzene? What to do?
Click join when you see it, please.
It's
Baker.
You guys, my apologies. Attorney Soroki, good morning.
Good morning, Judge. Okay.
Madam Clerk, can you give me back host or co-host, please? One or the other.
Yeah, I'll make you host. Okay.
Thank you. Corporal Baker, good morning. Sending you to room 1. Defendant is here.
Good morning, ma'am. Thank you.
Morning. Uh-huh. Officer Everett, good morning. Please unmute and tell me what case you're here on, please. Officer Everett, good morning. Please tell me which case you're here on.
I'm sorry.
What case are you here on, please?
I have to go back to it. I'm sorry. To check my email. I think it was Edwards.
Not in this courtroom.
Is this yeah, hold on.
Attorney Murphy, the offer on Deja Pickett is the offer with documents. It's to 1 count of improper plate, dismissal of all else.
Tompkins.
Can you give me a first initial or first name, please?
I'm sorry, Darnell Lavelle Tompkins.
Thank you. All right, I'm gonna get you into room 1 to speak with the city attorney.
Thank you.
Uh-huh. Attorney Murphy, were you able to hear me?
I am now.
Okay, that is the offer on, sorry, hold on, give me 1 moment. Officer Everett, placing you in room 1, city attorney will be there with you shortly. The offer on Deja Pickett in room 8 is the final offer with documents. So it's 1 count of improper plates.
Okay.
Just let her, because she's been here for a while. I'm not waiting for her documents. That's the offer.
Well, okay. She was just waiting for her mom to speak.
I understand. So I've spoken with her. I
Oh,
believe
you have?
the
Okay.
offer is to 1 improper plate. I don't need her to wait for her mom. She's told me what she's got. Her testimony is credible. The offer is to 1 count of improper plates.
Okay, I'll let her know.
Thank you. On the iPhone, please unmute and give me a name.
Judge, may I ask you a question? I have 2
Veronica
people.
Torres. Thank you. Yes, Attorney Murphy.
You cannot take pleas from people who are on the phone, correct?
Yes, I do.
You do. Okay, thank you.
Uh-huh. Veronica Torres, you were previously in a room. You were in room 9. I'm going to put you back there.
Already.
Did Mr. Pinedo Guerra leave? Again?
I'm not sure what happened. Can you make me calls again?
Yes, thanks.
Let's see. They both leave?
Hmm.
But yeah, I'm not sure what happened.
He kept coming in and out, in and out. I'm not sure either. Oh, I guess Ms. Torres. So can you please tell me, can you look at the offer sheet on Veronica Torres or send it to me so that I can see it?
The offer is 6-month delayed sentence on open alcohol passenger dismissal of other one.
Thank you. Okay. Ms. Torres, I'll be right with you in a moment.
All
Guys,
right. Because I'm on
Ms.
both
Torres,
phones. Do
I said I'll
hang
be
up?
right with you in just a moment, please. To our interpreter and defense
Okay.
counsel, I think we just lost your client. I'm trying to see where he went.
Which client?
Well, the one that I thought you just sent out, who was in room 6. Room 7 has been going in and out, and he's not even here anymore, so I don't know.
I gave them both new dates, Your Honor.
Gotcha. Okay, perfect then. All right.
Yep, we're good. I'm sent Ms. Cox came out to see if there's anything perhaps we
Gotcha.
would need her for.
Okay, thank you, Ms. Cox. Nope, we don't. Thank you very
Okay.
much. Appreciate your
Thank you.
service today. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Okay, Ms. Torres, I'm gonna have the clerk call your matter. Give me just a moment. I know you're on 2 different devices. You
Okay.
can, I've motioned the other one or brought the other one out too, so that if you can start video, you should do so. It's okay, we'll deal with it. Tawan Tompkins, please unmute. Good morning. Tawan Tompkins.
Good morning.
Good morning. What time were you supposed to be here, sir?
I think it's at 9:30.
Okay, thank you. That would mean that you're here for trial. Madam Clerk, is Mr. Tompkins here for trial, and do you know which officer we're expecting?
He's here for trial, and Attorney Soroki is his attorney. I don't know who the officer is.
Well, I have someone who checked in on a Tompkins, but a different first name.
For Tawan Tompkins, the officer is Sylvester Hill.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. All right, Mr. Tompkins, I'm going to get you into a breakout room so an attorney can come see you before I hear the matter.
Okay.
Okay, I'm going to put you.
We have a motion here.
Yeah, it's for return of firearm, so it should be pretty quick.
Okay,
But,
gotcha.
As soon as I checked in, the client's not here, so I'm like, well, now I'm early.
Oh, yeah.
So I'm like, I'll pop up, check in here, I guess.
Okay.
Mr. Tompkins, I'm going to place you in room 6. Please go ahead and hit join.
Okay.
All right, Veronica Torres, be right with you. Darnell Tompkins, good morning. You are here for trial. The officer is checked in on your case. I'm going to place you in a breakout room and someone will be in to speak with you shortly. Have you
Okay.
spoken with an attorney outside of work? I mean, outside of court?
No, not yet. Not at the
Okay.
moment.
Thank you. So someone will come and see you shortly. Just wait in the room patiently. They're making their way to you.
Okay, thank you.
Mhm. Okay. Mr. Tompkins, go ahead and join breakout room 7. Thank you. Madam Clerk, would you call the Veronica Torres matter when you're ready, please?
Yes, for Veronica Maria Torres, SP 1740420, counts 1 and 2, open alcohol in a motor vehicle passenger and narcotic and drug-related violations.
Thank you. Oh gosh, this is going on and on. I'm sorry, this round robin with the breakout rooms. One moment, please. This is insane. They're revisiting the same rooms and changing conversations and offers. Officer Crawford, good morning. I'm going to get you into breakout room number 1 to speak with City Attorney. Officer Crawford, please join breakout room number 1. Attorney Walling, I spoke with, sorry, trying to find my way back. I spoke with Ms. Pickett, as did Attorney Murphy already this morning. She did say that she has documents. I found her to be credible on that issue. The offer with her documents is 1 count of improper plates, which I know Attorney Murphy discussed with her, but I don't know how they came out. So
she has a lawyer? Oh, okay. So we 1 count of improper plate for these tickets?
That's it.
Now, the next question is, why is Murphy doing even room?
Because you were in 6 and 7, you were in 6 and you still had to do 7. So I asked her to just start on 8 so that she could help you. So you guys just need to re-coordinate.
It's more trouble than it's worth, Judge. Thank you, though. It's not about getting even. It's about moving along, but that's okay.
Exactly. That's what I'm saying. So I just wanted to help, because
Yeah.
you were doing 6 and 7. So I asked her to do 8, 9, and 10. That I had people sitting in there. But anyway, just check in with her because I can see like she did 10. I'm doing 9 now. So she must have talked to them. Saruki has 11 and 12.
Okay.
She's in 13. So
I'll
just
figure out where she's done.
yeah,
All
we
right.
just
Thank
need
you,
we need to
Judge.
just figure out what's going on with Ms. Pickett, please.
Thank you, Judge.
Okay, thank you. One moment, please. I need to now mark that Darnell Tompkins, attorney, is here. Okay. Our officer is here. I'm sorry. I've still got 3 people in the waiting room, guys. I'm just juggling right now. I need a moment. All right, to my officers, I really need you guys to tell me what cases you're here on and your names when you can, please. And to those of you, Ms. Traylor, you've left and come back. Please don't do that. I'm really trying to get through a plea right now, and I have to keep stopping to rename people. So just give me a minute. Yes, Ms. Traylor, you were here previously in a breakout room. Now you're back in this room. No? There was someone with your same name? Ah, you
This
are
is
right.
my first time
Yeah,
signing
she
in.
does. Thank you. She has a different name, different first name, same last name. All right, I'm going to get you into a breakout room. I'm going to put you in room 9. Okay, please go to room 9. Ms. Traylor, an attorney will be there shortly. Officer Thomas, which case are you here on, please?
Taurasius.
Can you spell that for me? He is here, I think.
First name Isaac. It's going to be Torrecillas.
Thank you. All right, that person is here. I'll go ahead and get you into breakout room 1 so you can meet with the city attorney about it.
Thank you.
Detective Wheeler, please unmute. Tell me which case you're here on, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. I'm here on Darnell Tompkins.
Thank you. I'm going to put you in a breakout room.
All right, thank you.
Okay, Soroki, I'll be right with you. I got to get poor Ms. Torres, who's been waiting and waiting and waiting for me to get to her. Give me 1 second as I try to get everybody into breakout rooms. Okay, Madam Clerk, ready on Torres. Again, when you are, Detective Wheeler, please join room 1.
Yes, ma'am.
For Veronica Maria Torres, SP 1740420, counts 1 and 2, open alcohol in a motor vehicle passenger and narcotic and drug-related violation.
Ms. Torres, good morning again. Thank you for your patience. Please state your name for the record.
Good morning, Veronica Torres.
Thank you. All right, looks like we're doing a 6-month delay on the open alcohol passenger, the other matter being dismissed. Is that consistent with your understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No, ma'am.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes, ma'am.
Please raise your right hand. Swear or affirm everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Madam Clerk, may I have a date and
June,
location, please?
yes, June 10th, 2025, West Elizabeth and M10 Service Drive.
Ms. Torres, is it true that at that date and location in the city of Detroit, you were in a vehicle which was operating on a public roadway with alcohol in the passenger area?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. The fine is $190. You have 6 months to get it paid. Pay it in 6 months. Don't get any similar tickets, and we'll take this off your record in 6 months. If you don't get it paid or you pick up a similar ticket, then you have to come back and see me. Madam Clerk, can we get our return date, please?
November 23rd at 8:30.
All right. November 23rd, 8:30 a.m. if you have any issues, okay?
Alrighty. Thank you so much.
Have a good day. Bye-bye.
Thank you as well.
All right, now we have Mr. Petway. Madam Clerk, what's our next available bench trial date? Carl Petway needs a bench trial date.
June 16th at 9:30.
That's fine.
Okay, great. Mr. Petway, we'll see you back June 16th, 9:30 a.m.
Okay, thank you.
Uh-huh.
By
Corporal
Zoom,
Rule,
Your Honor?
yeah, by Zoom. Thank you. By Zoom. Corporal Rule, good morning. Placing you in breakout room 1. City Attorney's already there.
Morning, thank you.
Uh-huh. And then one of your trial cases is also here, Soroki. She's up in one of the lower numbered rooms, sorry.
Thank you. I'm on my computer so I can see everything.
Great.
But thank
Okay.
you, Judge.
Uh-huh.
I'm going to work through all your cases before I go to another courtroom.
Okay. Thank you. I appreciate that. Yep, you've got room 6, 7.
If Attorney Soroki, what about Sierra Thomas?
You know, I went to the room and she didn't answer. And so I don't know. She has a case that should be pretty easy to resolve. So we'll see.
Okay. If she doesn't come back, I'll just schedule her for a pretrial for that same day, June 16th.
Right. Let me see. Very good. Okay. Let me see. I need the offer, so I need to talk to the prosecutor.
Okay, she's in room 1 now. Can we
I'll wait for her.
Can we forward Attorney Soroki the offer sheet in case he's got one?
Yeah, yes, if you could, I'll take that. That would be helpful. Thank you.
Mm-hmm. Did we get an offer on Tawan Tompkins? Here's Sierra Thomas again, coming in. Ms. Thomas, good morning. Your attorney, Mr. Soroki, is here. He was trying to communicate with you. I need you to go into the breakout room and then watch for him to come and see you, please.
Yes, I was there. It's my signal.
Okay, I'll send her to 14, Soroki. if that's okay. That good?
Yes, that's fine. Thank you.
Okay. Join room 14,
Thank
please.
you.
He'll be there.
Okay.
Okay. All right, looks like we're ready on Dwayne Pinkett. Madam Clerk, if you could pull that file, please. Dwayne Pinkett, good morning again.
Good morning.
All right, we're getting ready to call your matter. Madam Clerk, whenever you're ready, please.
I'm ready. Oh.
It's okay.
For Dwayne Levi Pinkett, SP 1823421, counts 1 and 2, drive while license suspended. SP 1799840, counts 1, 2, and 3, drive while license suspended, violation of basic speed law, no insurance misdemeanor. And SP 1823422, count 1, insufficient or defective lights.
All right, thank you. Good morning again, Mr. Pinkett.
Good morning.
Looks like you're going to be pleading guilty to 1 count of failure to display a valid license and admitting to going at least 1 mile per hour over the posted speed limit. Everything else is being dismissed. Is that consistent with your understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No, ma'am.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Please raise your right hand. Swear or affirm that everything you're going to tell me today is the truth. Sir, that doesn't work for my court reporter.
Yes, I got my right hand raised.
Thank you. And you swear to tell the truth?
Yes.
Thank you, Madam Clerk. May I have the date and location for the failure to display, please?
October 3rd, 2025, Fourier and Grand River.
Thank you, sir. Is it true that at that date and location you were operating a vehicle and could not display a valid license to the officer upon request?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. And then, Madam Clerk, is it same date and location for the speeding?
Yes.
Yes, Your Honor.
Sir, you are admitting that you were going at least 1 mile per hour over the posted speed limit at that same time?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. All right, on your failure to display, it's 190. On the speeding, it's 125. I'm giving you 60 days within this. Oh, you'd like community service. Give me just a second. Let me
Yes.
work this out for you.
Mhm.
Madam Clerk, in the meantime, would you please provide Mr. Pinkett the number for the phone number that he needs to call? Mr. Pinkett, you need to get ready to take down a number.
I'm ready. I'm ready.
It's 313
313
965
965
8130.
8130. Okay.
Give me 1 second. I'm trying to use my calculator here. Madam Clerk, this will be 10 hours of community service on each. Sir, you'll have 20 hours total, 10 hours on each count. Call that number, ask them to give you placement for community service. We'll check back with you in 60 days. Madam Clerk, may I have a 60-day return date?
Okay. So I
July
only have to
20
do,
Mr. Pinkett, one moment, please. Listen.
okay, go ahead.
July 27th at 8:30.
Okay, so July 27th at 8:30 a.m., I want you to come back here, and I'm hoping to hear that your community service is done by then, okay?
8:30, yes, Your Honor.
All right, have a good day. Mhm.
So I only have to do 20 hours?
Yes, Mr. Pinkett, that's what I said.
All right, thank you.
Okay, bye-bye. Okay, Ms. Powell, good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
I'm all right.
Good. All right, so it looks like you're gonna go work with Street Democracy.
Yes.
Very good. Madam Clerk, can we get a phone number for Ms. Powell to call to start street court program?
Are you ready?
Yes.
It's 313
Yes.
355
Yes.
4460.
Thank you.
And then we're gonna give you a 90-day return date. However, check with Street Democracy to see if you actually need to come back to court. They may just appear on your behalf, okay?
Okay.
What's the 90-day date, Madam Clerk?
August 25th at 8:30.
Thank you. August 25th, 8:30 a.m.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. Good luck with everything. Have a great day.
You too. God bless you.
Thank you. Same to you. Bye-bye. All right, I have Duran G. or Duran G. I need you to unmute, please, and give me a full name. What's your name, sir?
Hey, it's John Graves. I'm here on court for somebody.
What's your first name?
Duran.
Okay, last name is Graves. Are you here as a witness or?
No, I'm a officer. I'm here on court for somebody.
Okay, who?
Tompkins. D. Tompkins.
Likely Darnell Tompkins.
Yes.
Thank you. All right, I'm gonna get you into breakout room 1. City attorney was there. She's now in with the defense counsel. So
Okay.
I'll try to let her know that you got here.
Okay, thank you.
Mhm. Attorney Walling?
Yes, Your Honor. Ms. Pickett in room 8 cannot do the June 16th trial date.
Okay.
Is the 17th or preferably the 18th better? Can we do that?
Sure. Yep, just let us know which one she chooses when you email Madam Clerk, please.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Have a good day. Or not you. Tell her to have a good day.
I will. I'll pass it along, Your Honor.
Thanks. All right. Okay, Attorney Masseria, good morning.
Good morning, Judge.
Which case are you here on, please?
I have the Dorian Peterson motion that's set for like 10. I'm a little early. I'm just asking for a breakout with the prosecutor if possible.
Uh-huh.
Thank you.
There's no one else in room 2 to see her, so I'll go ahead and give you co-host and move you there.
Perfect. Thank you.
Mhm. Okay, Attorney Soroki,
Yes, we're ready on Miss Sierra Thomas.
thank you. Is this with or without delayed sentence?
Without delayed sentence.
Thank you, Madam Clerk. Would you please call the Sierra Thomas matter when you're ready?
Okay, Sierra Janae Thomas, SP 1883953, counts 1, 2, and 3, open alcohol in a motor vehicle driver, improper transportation of usable marijuana, and no insurance misdemeanor.
Thank you, Ms. Thomas. Please state your name for the record.
Sierra Janae Thomas.
Thank you, Attorney Soroki.
Good morning, Your Honor. Alan Soroki, P37441, appear on behalf of the defendant.
Thank you. I understand there's going to be a plea to 1 count of open alcohol passenger, everything else being dismissed. Is that correct?
That's correct, Your Honor.
Thank you. Ms. Thomas, is that consistent with your understanding?
Yes.
Did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yeah.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes.
Thank you. Please raise your right hand, swear or affirm that everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
Yes.
Thank you, Madam Clerk. May I have a date and location, please?
March 19th, 2026, Auburn Street, Entirement.
Ms. Thomas,
Yes.
did you hear the date and location just stated by Madam Clerk?
Yes.
Is it true that at that date and location, you possessed open alcohol in the passenger area of a vehicle which was operating on a public roadway?
Yes.
Thank you. Counsel satisfied?
Yes, satisfied, Your Honor.
Thank you. Ms. Thomas, the fine is $190. You have 60 days to get it paid or start on a payment plan with the cashiers on the first floor by giving them a down payment. That's how you keep your deal in place, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Have a good day. You're welcome.
You
Bye-bye.
too.
Thank you. Have a good day, ma'am.
You too. All right. Oh, Attorney Soroki, you've got one more, well, at least one more I know, the Tawan Tompkins, which I've not seen an officer check in on.
Now, Your Honor, on that case, it's a 2003 case. So I knew the officers wouldn't show up or they wouldn't have sufficient evidence.
Okay.
So I didn't know what time, how long to wait before I bring them out.
I usually wait till 10. You can bring them on out and we can do it.
Okay, thank you.
Thanks. Attorney Wally?
I'm looking for something to do at this point.
Okay, so we're back up at the top with trials now. So you could do rooms 3, 4, 6, no, not 6, 3 and 4, and
Well,
3 and
Miss Murphy
4.
talked to her.
3, 4, and 9 are
All right, looks she's already talked to.
yeah, somebody talked to room 3. I'm not sure if it's yeah, okay.
Yeah,
so
she has her initials there, so I'm
Yeah.
assuming that.
She did 3. So officers here on room 4.
Okay.
Thanks. All right, Madam Clerk, when you're ready on the Tawan Tompkins matter.
Okay, Tawan D'Anthony Tompkins, 0518-639, operating under influence liquor.
Thank you. Mr. Tompkins, you need to unmute and turn your camera on, please. Attorney Soroki, your appearance.
Good morning, Your Honor. Alan Soroki, P37441, appear on behalf of the defendant. Please state your full name for the record, sir.
Tawan Tompkins.
Thank you.
Your Honor, today's the date and time set for trial in this matter. Trial is scheduled for 9:30. It's now 9:54 a.m. This case arises out of a 2003 OWI ticket, and defense is moving to have this matter dismissed at this time for no police officer.
All right, thank you. The officer subpoenaed to appear today has not appeared for court for that reason and has failed to notify the court as to any reason for his non-appearance. For that reason, this ticket will be dismissed without prejudice, Mr. Tompkins, for the officer's failure to appear. That means that they could refile it at a later date if they chose to do so. Highly unlikely given the age of the ticket and what they would need to proceed. If it happened, though, you'd come back and see me again. Okay? All right. Have a great day, sir. Thank you. Bye-bye. All right, Attorney Soroki, thank you. You've got one more. You do have officers here, and hopefully you spoke to Ms. Horn.
Yes. I'm gonna go talk to her now and
Okay.
take care of it.
Yep,
Thank
she's
you.
in room 2, it looks like. All right, Mr. Torcias?
Yep,
All right. Did Mr. Walling send you out?
he indeed did.
Okay, thank you. And I am assuming that he will come out and see me in a moment. Madam Clerk, I have Dorian Peterson in the waiting room. Can you tell me what time he's scheduled for?
That's the 10 o'clock motion hearing.
Very good, thank you. All right, Attorney Walling, I have Mr. Torcias. I know I had an officer who checked in. I don't see that officer here anymore. We'll go ahead and call the matter.
Sure.
Did you speak with Ms. Horn already?
No, my client's in compliance.
Okay.
I mean, I can go talk to her,
Okay.
but I looked, I saw the officer left. I don't know whether he got the word or who got the word, but my client's in compliance, so.
Well, my only question is, it seems to be a similar situation with Attorney Murphy in room 3, where she's saying there's compliance, but there's still a question as to the dismissal.
I'll ask her.
Okay,
Sure.
thanks. I mean, I'm fine with it. I just want to make sure that I'm not exceeding my authority.
I don't know anybody's gonna call you on the carpet for that one, Judge, but
I don't know either. I just want to play by the rules. So just check with her. I'm sure it's fine if you would just confirm with her, please. What is going on with Malik Taylor? Good morning, Mr. Peterson. We'll be with you in just a moment.
Okay, good morning, Judge.
Good morning. Mr. Torcias will be with you in just a moment.
Okay.
Attorney Murphy.
Judge?
Can you give me an update on Malik or Malik Taylor in room 5? I know they've been here quite a while.
So I spoke to him and I'm trying to get a reduction in the length of the delayed sentence. Ms. Horn and I communicated via text, but I want to communicate with her in person about it. And
Okay.
I and 2 other attorneys are waiting for her to return to room 2.
She's in room 2. Well, there's attorney speaking in room 2 now, and I think that she's in room 2.
Yeah, I've gone in and out of room 2 and she's elsewhere. You know, her
Yeah, I gotcha.
screen is there, but she's not. So
And then on Shivani Trailer, is that a dismissal per the city, or is that your question as to whether
that's my question because she has documents.
Okay, great. I know Attorney Walling has the same question of her, and he's in there right now as well. So
Okay.
hopefully we'll get some answers. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hey, Attorney Walling, did you get knocked off? I did.
And
All right. Yeah, I got knocked off too. I don't know what happened, but you have co-host now.
thank you.
Were you able to find Miss Horn in there? Oh, now
She just got back,
now
so
she's talking. Okay. Great. Okay, Attorney Wall, are we ready on Torsius?
yes, we are, Judge.
Thank you. Madam Clerk, would you please call the Torsius matter? Mr. Torsius, please go ahead and unmute, turn your video back on so I know you're with me.
For
Hello?
Isaac Torsilas, SP 1872533, count 1, improper plates.
Thank you. Counsel.
Your Honor, my name is Philip X. Walling, P35229. I am one of your House Counsel today representing Isaac Torrecidos. Isaac, state your name, please.
Isaac Tolafias.
Your Honor, I'm thrilled to report that my client is in compliance. His registration expires June 14th of 27. That's been okayed by the Assisted Corporation Council because, frankly, God helps those who bring their paperwork. Right,
That's
Mr.
right.
Tortillas?
Yep.
Move to dismiss, Judge.
All right, thank you. Motion to dismiss is granted. Mr. Torsius, good job getting everything together. Have a great day.
Thank you. I will. You too.
All right, bye-bye. I like that saying, Attorney Walling. I have to
I
adopt
use it often, Your Honor. It
yeah.
has served me well.
Yep. Okay. Let's see if we have anything else going here.
If you've got a moment, Judge, I think could you and I perhaps have a quiet moment?
Sure,
Since
I will.
since you're stuck with me all week?
Yep, let's go to breakout room 10. I'll join 10.
Okay.
He's here. Did you? Hi, Attorney Horn.
Yes, Madam Clerk.
Attorney Massaria is ready when you are, when the judge gets back.
Okay, I've gotta go to Perkins too real quick and close them out, okay?
Okay.
Miss, before we move forward too on, I think it's the Leisha trailer.
Yes.
Miss Murphy was supposed to send me documents and she hasn't. So I'm just waiting on that. She said she has a new car with new documents, and so I just need to see that and compare it to the ticket. Just for purposes of matching up the person. So I'll just wait for that, but I don't want to move forward until she sends me those documents. Okay, thank you. Okay, I'll be back.
Okay, you better.
Yeah. I think. Four officers showed up.
Yeah, one of them is hard.
Hello.
Hey, hello.
Yeah, I'm still on here.
Okay, Madam Clerk, I'm sorry. I know we have a full house waiting for me. Who's first? You're muted. We can't do Dorian Peterson just yet, but we can start with Darnell Tompkins. We can start with Shivani Trailer, or we can start with.
Ready on Darnell Tompkins, that's Attorney Soroki.
Okay, thank you. Go ahead and call that one, please.
For Darnell Lavelle Tompkins, C 570-869, count 1, scheduled for trial. What is it?
All right, these are and all other related matters to City versus Darnell Tompkins. Attorney Soroki, your appearance, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Alan Soroki, P37441, appearing on behalf of the defendant. What's your full name for the record, sir?
Darnell Lavelle Tompkins.
Thank you. Officer Crawford, please state your name for the record.
Officer Crawford Thomas.
Thank you. And you are Detroit Police?
Wayne State Police.
Thank you. And Officer Graves, your name and identify your agency, please, for the record.
Officer Deron Graves, Detroit Police.
Thank you. Attorney Soroki.
Yes, Your Honor. Defendant is accepting the offer of the prosecution in this matter. And that offer is on ticket for driver's license suspended, ticket and 257-674-871. The driver's license suspended ticket he'll plead to as charged. It will be reduced to failure to display.
Okay.
The second ticket he will plead to is the marijuana in public ticket with a 3-month delayed sentence. And that ticket is SP 16444-763.
Okay.
He'll also plead to driver's license suspended with a reduction to allowing, and that's on ticket SP 143-11791. And the last ticket he's pleading to is the unregistered, untitled ticket, and it'll be reduced to improper plates, and it's ticket SP 122-11612. The remaining 20 tickets will be dismissed. And the officers, there's no POs here. To go through that list here.
Are the other tickets that are being dismissed for no officer or dismissed per the plea?
Well, the tickets that the officers didn't appear on are being dismissed for no officer.
All right. All right, so we know that we have Officer Crawford and Officer Graves.
And we had 2 more officers that appeared. I just don't have I don't know their names on my list here.
All right, we'll have to figure that out with Madam Clerk once we look through these tickets that he's pleading to. I'm sure that will reveal itself. All right, Mr. Tompkins, so you're going to plead to 4, 20 being dismissed. Is that consistent with your understanding?
Yes.
Anybody promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes, ma'am.
Please raise your right hand. Swear or affirm that everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
Yes.
Thank you. Madam Clerk, on ticket ending in 74871, may I have the date and location as well as the officer who issued that ticket?
For Officer Crawford Thomas, April 29, 2025, John R. and East Forest, driver license suspended.
Mr. Thomas, is it true that at the date and location just stated by Madam Clerk and in the city of Detroit, you were operating a vehicle and could not display a valid license to Officer Crawford Thomas upon her request?
Yes.
Thank you. Madam Clerk, may I have the date and location as well as the issuing officer on the ticket ending in 44763, please?
Officer Graves, November 16, 2024, East Otter Drive in Chandler Park.
Thank you.
Drive while license suspended, no insurance, misdemeanor, smoking marijuana within passenger area.
Thank you. Mr. Tompkins, the first two counts will be dismissed pursuant to your plea, Madam Clerk. The third count, sir, is the consuming marijuana in public. Is it true that at the date and location just stated by Madam Clerk, you were consuming marijuana in a public place?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. All right, Madam Clerk, may I have a date, location, and issuing officer on ticket ending in 1791, please?
Officer Everett, February 17, 2023, Evergreen and Curtis, drive while license suspended.
Thank you. Mr. Tompkins, is it true that at the date and location just stated by Madam Clerk that you were operating, you allowed an unlicensed driver to operate your vehicle even if that unlicensed driver was yourself?
Yes.
Thank you. And then I have, Madam Clerk, ticket ending in 1612, please. Issuing officer as well as date and location, please.
Detective Wheeler, June 3rd, 2021, Kelly Road and Lorraine Drive. Drive while license suspended, drive unregistered, untitled vehicle, no insurance, misdemeanor.
Thank you. Mr. Tompkins, counts 1 and 3 will be dismissed pursuant to your plea. As to count 2, is it true that you did not have proper plates on the vehicle at that time and location due to a lack of registration?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. All right, your pleas are accepted as long as you are satisfied with the factual bases. Attorney Soroki.
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Thank you. Sir, on each of these, your fine is $190. So 190 times 4. You have 90 days. In those 90 days, there are 2 things that you must do. The first, you must pay off your delayed sentence, your marijuana ticket. That one, if you go see the cashiers, let them know that you have to pay that ticket first within the 90 days, the full $190. Got it?
Okay, yes.
That's so we can pull that up and take it off your record in 3 months. As to your other 3 cases, what you must do within the 90 days is at least start on a payment plan with the cashiers on the first floor. They can stretch it out for you, but you're going to have to give them a down payment, and you must do that within the next 90 days. Okay?
Okay.
All right. So 190 times 4. For the record, Madam Clerk, all tickets not belonging to Crawford Thomas, Graves, Everett, or Wheeler are dismissed without prejudice for no officer. The other tickets associated with the officers who are present today are dismissed with prejudice pursuant to the plea. All right. Thank you, Mr. Tompkins. Have a good day.
You
Thank
too.
you,
Thank
Attorney
you.
Soroki.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good day, sir.
All right.
Thank you, officers, for your appearance on this one.
No problem.
Madam Clerk, just let me know when you're ready to call the next case.
Alicia Trailer.
Hello.
Hi.
Ready.
All right. Ready when you are, Madam Clerk.
SP 1876055, count 1, no insurance, misdemeanor, and SP 1876262, counts 1, 2, and 3, expired plates, drove with bright, glaring, or without lights, no valid registration certificate, civil, for Delisha Edwina Trailer.
Thank you. Attorney Murphy, your appearance, please.
Morning, Judge. Kathy Murphy, P51422, for Ms. Delicia Trailer, who appears via Zoom. Ma'am, would you please state your full name for the record, nice and loud?
Delicia Trailer.
Judge, we have reached a resolution in this matter. I spoke with Ms. Horn. She spoke with the officer. This is going to be a complete dismissal.
All right. Thank you. Ms. Trailer, Defense counsel, having reviewed all of your valid documentation and discussed the matter with city attorney, I'm going to go ahead and grant the motion to dismiss all of your cases at this time. Have a good day.
You too. Thank you.
Thank you. All right, who's next, Madam Clerk?
Did we have to do anything with Mr. Malik Taylor?
I don't think so. I gave him the date of
right.
June 9th at 9:15.
Mr. Taylor, someone got your information to get appointed counsel to talk with you. We'll see you back on that return date, okay? Did you get
Okay.
it?
Thank you.
You know when you're coming back?
You said June 9th, right?
Is that correct, Madam Clerk?
Yes, June 9th at 9:15.
All right, we'll see you back by Zoom, June 9th, 9:15, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Have a good day.
Mr. Taylor, I'm sorry to interrupt you, Judge. Please make sure you write it down. You might not get a timely notice in the mail.
Okay, thank you.
All right, bye-bye. Okay,
Hey, for Shivani Chalisa Jewel Trailer, SP 1745622, counts 1 and 2, drive-by license suspended, no insurance, misdemeanor.
thank
Kathy
you.
Murphy, good morning, Judge. P51422 for Miss Shivani Trailer. Miss Trailer, would you state your full name for the record, please, nice and loud?
Shivani Shalisha Jewel Trailer.
Judge, we've reached a resolution. Miss Trailer, it was set for trial today. She has her documentation. I've spoken with Madam Prosecutor, and this will be a dismissal, complete dismissal.
All right, thank you, Ms. Trailer. Defense counsel, having reviewed your valid documentation and discussed the matter with the city attorney, I'm going to grant their motion to dismiss your tickets at this time. Everything is dismissed. Good job getting everything together and have a great day.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, you're welcome. Okay,
All we have left is, we need Ms. Horn for the motion hearing, and,
Okay.
the attorneys are here in person.
Ms. Siri is in the courtroom.
Yes, Judge. Yes.
Okay,
Good morning.
Attorney Siri. Okay, let's try to get Ms. Horn back and then we'll get your motion done. To House Counsel, thank you guys.
Madam
Thank
Clerk, have you
you.
gotten an email from me?
Probably. Yes,
Okay.
You got mine too, Madam Clerk?
yes, I got.
Thank you.
Thank
The two Spanish surname people, you need an interpreter those days. Fernando and Guerrera.
will do.
Thank you kindly. See you tomorrow, everybody.
All
Thank
right.
you.
Yeah, thank you.
Bye, Kathy.
Bye.
Thanks
Bye,
so much,
Phil.
guys.
Thank you so much.
Okay. Attorney Massaria, have you had a chance to speak with Ms. Horn regarding the motion today?
We touched base, but we didn't really go over it too much. It sounds like we're just proceeding.
Gotcha. Did she submit a response to your knowledge?
She did, yes.
Okay, thank you. All right, we'll wait just a moment. I let her know that we need her back on the motion hearing. Feel free to take a seat or whatever.
Thank you, Judge.
Okay.
Good morning, Mr. Mysteria.
I don't know if you can hear you in there.
Oh, okay.
Good morning, Mr. Peterson.
Good morning.
Right, guys, as soon as we have Miss Horn back, we'll get this done.
We're muted.
Sorry, no, you're I was gonna do it, but since you're here. That's fair. Okay.
You guys ready?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes,
Okay,
Your
let me
Honor.
just, one moment, I'm just reviewing the case cited.
It says the host has my camera turned off, so,
Okay, we'll be with you in just a moment. Give me just a moment.
okay.
That is my bad. I apologize. Soup sounds good there too. Yeah, lunchtime global. Come. I got it. I can go get it. I'll be back. I'll go get
Oh,
it.
no, I don't need it.
I think, do I have it? Copy of your
The
ticket. Oh, the ticket.
Did you want to copy of this? I just printed it off. That's the form for registration. It just.
All right.
You just need a copy of the front ticket?
Do you have it?
We both have it.
Oh,
Part of discovery.
I'll take it. So I don't have to go pull it myself. Thanks.
No problem.
Okay, guys. Mr. Peterson, you can go ahead and turn your camera on now. We'll begin your motion hearing. Thank you, and good morning to both of the Attorney Horn and Attorney Masseria. Madam Clerk, whenever you're ready to call the matter.
Okay, for Dorian Anthony Peterson, SP 1840779, count 1, discharge firearm, case is closed. Here for a motion hearing to retrieve his firearm.
All right, thank you. Attorney, counsel, your appearances, please, and then Attorney Masseria, this is your motion.
Attorney Frank Masseria, P. 8784, on behalf of Mr. Peterson. Mr. Peterson, please state your full name for the record.
Dorian Anthony Peterson.
Thank you. Attorney Horn?
Yes, Your Honor. Tamika Horn on behalf of the city of Detroit, P70303.
Thank you. Okay, Attorney Masseria, I'll ask you to go ahead and step over a bit so your client can see you, and then we'll go ahead. I'll hear your argument as to the return of the firearm.
Yes, Judge. Good morning again, Judge. So obviously I don't want to regurgitate everything written in my motion here. Mr. Peterson owned a firearm. It was that Taurus cited in my motion. Essentially, he was charged with a crime that was way back in March. We set a trial date for that. The officer failed to appear, so the case was dismissed. And the Detroit Police Department are requiring him to have an order in order to retrieve his firearm. He does have a CPL and he does own that firearm, so we're just asking for the court to grant that order. I don't want to regurgitate all the statutes I cited in there. I'm sure you can read them.
Thank you. All right. Attorney Horn?
Yes, Your Honor, and thank you, counsel. The people are objecting to the reissue or the return of the firearm to Mr. Peterson as after doing a background check on the gun is not registered to Mr. Peterson. Specifically, the gun is not registered to anyone right now. And so the people believe the gun is contraband and it should be forfeited as a result of this particular charge. It's also provided in the city's ordinance, state statute, that any gun taken at the time of a crime is considered contraband and not forfeited to the law enforcement agency. In addition to not, like Masseria stated, I don't want to regurgitate everything, but the omnibus law that was cited as support for the motion is not applicable to a firearm case because at that time, under that statute, it is when the police are going to forfeit and have given notice to the defendant, at which time the defendant has been convicted of a crime. That is not the case in this matter. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. I was a little bit confused by that argument, so I hope you'll help me as I look at it because, sorry, I just need to get back to it. One moment, please. Sorry, my computer's making me navigate back through things in a weird way. So the statute that you're saying is inapplicable because it would not apply until after conviction and a forfeiture hearing. I'm looking at the specific language cited by plaintiff's counsel, which says the statute continues to list several reasons property must be returned to the rightful owner, including, quote, all charges against the consenting legal owner relating to the commission of a crime are dismissed. Unless I'm misunderstanding, and I may be, that seems to be directly contrary to the assertion that a conviction would have to be had before this statute applies, because the statute contains specific language stating that property should be returned if all charges against the consenting legal owner relating to the commission of a crime are dismissed. So how can that possibly require conviction?
Your Honor, we did consult with another prosecuting authority here, and that attorney, that prosecutor directly said that's the omnibus statute, and that is used for forfeitures and forfeiture section of that particular agency. And so what triggers the omnibus is, for example, a crime has been committed, maybe a gun was used, that person was convicted of that crime. This gun would have been directly related to a crime and a conviction. Here, the Detroit police don't go out on gunshot or firearm issues with the intent to forfeit. However, there is notice in the ordinance and the state statute that states that if this particular weapon or firearm is the subject matter of the allegation, it is already considered contraband, and it is also forfeited to the law enforcement agency. There's proper notice for that and how it's handled from the point that DPD got there until now. So there's been no conviction. The case was dismissed. It can be recharged, not thinking it will be. But in this case also, which is very unique, is that there's no link to Mr. Peterson and this gun by registration.
So I do want to get to that part of your argument as well.
Yes.
And we'll get there. So I guess my first question is, and I understand your position about the Omnibus Act. That Omnibus Act, even according to the case law submitted to the court, right, is an additional protection for citizens in terms of due process. Okay, even after a citizen has been convicted, right? If I go with that reading, even after a citizen is convicted, the state cannot keep their firearm without a separate process, a forfeiture process, which requires notice, right? And the opportunity to respond as a matter of due process. So then how do we reconcile? If we're willing, if the state has taken the extra step, right, to ensure due process for a convicted citizen, it's difficult to reconcile then the state's position that retention of property of a citizen that was claimed to be used in a crime, but for which that citizen was never convicted, right? How we then retain that property as a matter of due process. Now, I do find the registration argument interesting. And I have some questions about that for probably both you and Attorney Masseria. In the brief that you submitted, it is stated that as of February 13th, 2024, right, all buyers without a concealed pistol license must obtain a license to purchase before buying a pistol. So I am told that Mr. Pearson does in fact have a CPL, which would mean that he was not required under the newer law to have a license to purchase a pistol. So
and that's correct, Your Honor.
Okay.
That is correct. Okay. But after acquiring the firearm, Mr. Peterson was to register that firearm within 10 days, and there's a form called the R1-060. So he does have a CPL, which means that he just would have to fill out that application, whether the gun or the firearm was inherited, whether he purchased it. But there are firearm sales records that are to be completed by the law enforcement agency, the seller, or the person he inherited from, and himself. And they must be it must be registered in these documents. This sales record form must be submitted within 10 days.
Okay, will I be able to speak on this case?
Nope, not yet. Please wait.
Okay.
All right.
All right.
So.
That is also in violation of the law.
And when you say that's in violation of the law, is there a particular crime associated with failure to register within 10 days?
Generally, I think it says a $250 fine for failure to file it. I believe that is what the statute says.
Does the statute classify the failure to register the firearm within 10 days as a criminal act, as a misdemeanor or felony act?
Civil infraction, Your Honor.
Okay.
And I believe the only reason at the time that the form is submitted, there is a $2,000 fine or 4 years in jail, and that's only if fraud or false information was submitted on the form.
All right, thank you. In terms of this particular contention that you're citing as to Mr. Peterson's requirement to register a firearm, how long has that been, to your knowledge, the rule, the law, that a person must register their rightfully owned firearm within 10 days?
I'll have to look it up, Your Honor. That is the law now. As to when it was enacted, I believe in February, as you stated, of 2024. So there's the and or, which I left out of the brief. My apologies, but there's an and or to it. So he has a CPL. So he would not have to get this particular special license to purchase. He can just go ahead and fill out the form and register the firearm with the law enforcement agency, and also the seller, law enforcement, and Mr. Peterson are subject to the 10-day rule.
Okay. But that is if he purchased his firearm on or after February 13th of 2024, they are subject to that registration rule?
Yes, I believe so. And to not misquote, I can look it up. But yes.
All right. Okay. All right. Attorney Masseria, do you have any response?
Thank you.
And yes, Judge, and I'll keep it somewhat brief. There's been no showing when Mr. Peterson actually received this gun, purchased it, received it from another person. So there's no showing that he got this gun after that statute went into effect. Furthermore, we don't even know if he got it after that February date, if it had been 10 days. We have no proof of that. And even so, even if he was in violation of this civil infraction, nothing cited would say that the recovery of the firearm, the police department being able to keep that firearm, is an appropriate consequence of that. There would be a fine at most. There's been nothing cited saying that the police department should be able to retain this firearm. And it does confuse me a little bit how a charge that was dropped got us to this point. Mr. Peterson could go out today and buy another firearm. Essentially, they're just trying to keep this firearm specifically from him. So they're trying to make him jump through hoops and buy another firearm instead. Even if he was convicted of this crime, he could buy another firearm. There's been nothing saying that this firearm should be forfeited. Essentially, the police department is saying they allege a crime, they failed to prove that crime, but we still get to keep your property. So even with this civil infraction being brought up, I don't think it's relevant to the proceeding.
All right, thank you. Okay, Attorney Horn.
And Your Honor, just to cite the law and argument is under Detroit City Code 331.13.2 provides, the code also provides that all weapons carried or possessed contrary to the provisions of this code or state or federal law are hereby declared contraband and are forfeited to the chief of police to be disposed of in accordance with state law. State law provides 28.434 states the same. Any weapons or firearms contrary to this act are declared forfeited to the state. in the
Okay.
Department of State Police.
Thank you.
I have 31-13-2, and this is for council. Michigan Legislator MCL 28.434, and also the Michigan Penal Code MCL 750-239 provides the same, Your Honor. All pistols, weapons, or devices carried, possessed, and contrary of this chapter are forfeited to the state and must be turned over to the Department of State Police for disposition as determined appropriate by the Director of the Department of State Police or the Director's designated representative. So the people did cite the law in which is applicable here. We're not trying to change the law. We're just citing the law which gives DPD the right to hold this firearm as contraband and it be forfeited to the state.
All right, thank you. All right, I'm ready to rule. As to the, you guys don't have to stand if you don't want to. As to the omnibus statute, again, there is specific language in the statute that talks about the return of property to individuals whose cases are dismissed. So we can argue about whether or not it's applicable, right? Ms. Horn, your position is it's not applicable because it doesn't attach until after conviction and there's a forfeiture proceeding. On the other hand, Attorney Masseria argues that it is directly on point because it contains specific language related to defendants whose cases against them are dismissed. I am swayed by the specific language in the statute relating to dismissed cases, that it would in fact be applicable. But yet there is another hurdle as to the registration question. You know, Mr. Peterson is not a convicted felon. He's not prohibited from owning a firearm. He is in fact a CPL holder. So the license to purchase isn't applicable to him because we learned today that he's a CPL holder. We may not have known that beforehand, but he is a CPL holder. So the license to purchase doesn't apply to him. So then the question is, under the law, was Mr. Peterson, well, two questions. Under the law, was Mr. Peterson required to register his firearm because it was purchased on or after February 13th, 2024? I have no evidence to that effect. And the Banks versus Detroit Police Department Court of Appeals opinion is very clear that it is the state's burden to prove these things when retaining a firearm. So I don't have any proof as to when Mr. Peterson obtained his firearm by purchase, gift, etc. And then the second question, though, would be, so I'm not finding that, I don't have enough evidence to find that he was required to register under the city code. The next question then is, okay, if he didn't register it, say it did apply to him, but I don't have evidence of that, even if it applied, there doesn't seem to be language in the code or the statute under that portion, failure to register, that says we retain the firearm. What it says is, thank you, and I thank you, you know, for being so thorough with the court, but in terms of even graduated fines, right? They've gone to the point of giving graduated fines, but not speaking to forfeiture or retention of the weapon. Finally, I am looking at the city code as cited, and here's my issue with the language, right? Weapons carried contrary to the statute, weapons carried contrary to the code. At some point, that has to require a finding that the weapon was carried contrary to. And because the case was dismissed, there has been no finding. There has been no finding that a weapon was carried contrary to the code or carried contrary to the statute because the case was dismissed. And because we don't have any proof of when Mr. Peterson came into possession of the firearm, all indications from the facts of the case are that this is Mr. Peterson's firearm. It appears that there may have been a failure to register if he purchased or came into possession of the firearm on or after February 13th, 2024, but we don't know that. I don't have any proof of that. So at this time, I am going to rule that Mr. Peterson's firearm must be returned to him as the case was dismissed, and I don't see any other statutes or code applicable to Mr. Peterson in this particular matter where the case was dismissed, where we don't have proof of when he obtained the firearm. So we don't have any proof that he was required to register under this new law as of February 2024. All right, so that is my ruling. The firearm must be returned. Attorney Masseria, please prepare the order.
Thank you, Judge.
Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, thank you both. And
Thank
thank
you,
you
Your Honor.
both for such thorough briefing and such good work. I really do appreciate it. I think it helps all of us. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Mr. Peterson, I will get an order from Attorney Massaria. We'll get that signed and you'll be able to take that and give that to the police department for return of your firearm. Give us a few days for Mr. Massaria, Attorney Massaria, to get the order drafted and for me to sign it, okay?
Okay, thank you so much.
All right, thank you. Have a good day.
You too.
Bye.
Bye.
Okay, guys, thanks again for everything.